Today I'm going to be talking about an app called Drop, and Drop is a very cool app, and they designed it basically for millennials, for people who like to get money easily but don't want to work for it. And that was the reason they designed this app called Drop. And I've been using it for quite some time now, and I just wanted to tell you guys about it and get you guys signed up on Drop because it is literally the easiest way to earn cash back. You get cash back in the form of gift cards, and basically all you have to do is connect your credit card to their app. And once you've connected your credit card to their app, once you make purchases from any of these retailers that they have selected for you, it's a pre-selected six, I believe. Then you receive they're called drop points. You receive drop points in the form of points, which then you can convert to gift cards. So each time I make a purchase from Walmart, for example, when I'm purchasing stuff for my Amazon FBA business, then I get a portion of that back in drop points. And it usually works out to be about 2% of what I purchase. And that adds up when you're buying a significant amount, especially for your FBA business. So I highly recommend giving this app a try. Just go download it. What's the worst thing that's going to happen? You're going to get some money back in the form of gift cards. And then you can use those gift cards to increase your bottom line when you're selling on Amazon. So there is a code that I'll put in the description below where you can get $5 for free in drop points. And this is what it looks like when you're on your main screen. And so this person has ongoing offers of Sephora, Lyft, Starbucks, Target, and the Body Shop. And the ongoing offers never change. The active offers are what change every month. So you'll get different active offers, but you'll always have the same ongoing offers. So when you're picking your ongoing offers when you first sign up, pick very carefully and pick retailers that you're going to actually purchase from. So for me, I have my offers, they're called power offers now. I have Tim Hortons, McDonald's, Cineplex, Shoppers Drug Mart, and Walmart. So there wasn't a lot to choose from when I signed up, but I signed up quite some time ago. So now they have more to choose from. So pick carefully with your ongoing offers. And then also they have something called a supercharge bonus. And that you get after you've made several purchases from the same retailer. Then you click claim bonus and you get to play this game, which it's like a snake game. It's like an old game that they used to have on computers and stuff like that, but you play that game and then you earn additional points. So you're actually earning money while playing a game. So that's kind of neat. And then they also have mobile offers where it's similar to Ebates or Top Cashback, where you go through the offer from their app and then you make the purchase and then you get a form of drop points from that. But I've had good success with that because some of the times you get up to 10% back in drop points. So that's kind of nice. So like I said, you link your debit and credit cards to the app. I just have linked my credit cards. I didn't link my debit card, but you can do whatever you make the most purchases with. And then you shop at your favorite places and you get cash rewards. It's just that easy. So it's been really nice. Here's what some people have said about it. Love it. Love earning points on my regular things I'd buy. And really love the bonuses for trying the new apps. So yeah, like people are saying really good things about it, and I'm saying good things about it as well. So yeah, like I said, you start just by putting your phone number in. They'll send you a link to the app, or you can just go to the app store on your phone and download the app. And like I said, you can get a free $5 for using the coupon code that I will have in the description below. My coupon code is W20ZE. And like I said, I'll put that in the link in the description below. But give this app a try. It's a really good way to increase your bottom line and to hopefully help you grow your FBA business more because you're going to be increasing your profits. So I hope you guys check this app out and let me know what you guys think. Thanks for watching.